Dr. Bowen, yeah, he did both hips, anterior approach, and he did them both at one time. And it was extremely, I can't say enough about how much it's changed my life for the better. So I searched on the internet for anterior approach hip replacement doctors, and I found Dr. Bowen. And so I immediately called his office. When he looked at my hips, I also explained to him that I had one leg that was longer than the other leg, and it was hampering my rehab of my knees, and my left knee was actually starting to bother me a lot. And what he did was he went through the operation. They took several x-rays in the procedure, and he actually lengthened one of my legs, my right leg, and so now my legs are perfectly matched, and I have no problem at all with my left hip, or my left knee, which was giving me problems before. So he did a fantastic job. Well, after surgery, it was immediate relief for me. Because I could say after about 3 or 4 days, except for the pain of the surgery, I had no other pain. And so I was up doing all my exercises for rehab. And I would say within 3 to 4 weeks, I was back at the gym doing things I couldn't do before. I couldn't ride a stationary bicycle. Now I ride them all the time. I couldn't walk my dogs. Now I do that all the time. I golf. My golf swing is back to being spectacular, like I was 40 years old. So I do all the activities I want to do. The only thing I don't do is jog. And I think I just want to keep them in good shape. And I'm sure I could jog, but I don't want to. it's the only activity I don't do. Well, my family life is great because, again, I can walk with my wife and we can take the dogs for a walk. We go hiking, ride bicycles together, and I couldn't do those. None of those activities I could do for a couple years. They were just not available to me. And I'm an avid golfer. I love golf. I got down to about an 8 handicap. And I'd say for 2 years, I could hardly golf. I could not make a golf swing. There were times I'd go out to try to play 18 holes and make 9 holes, and I'd quit with the friends I was out with. And my handicap that went up to a 13 or a 14, and now I'm back to a 9 handicap. And I can walk the golf course, which is, before I had to ride in a cart just to get out to hit the ball. Now I walk the golf course, and my life is fabulous after Dr. Bowen. I don't know more to tell you. Oh, I would highly recommend Bowen Orthopedics to anybody. He's a great doctor. Again, great bedside manner. He visits you, he talks to you. He's perfect.